Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So recently I started an Etsy shop, which is, I think it was the end of January, and I've received my first sale I think in March. Let me check. Let's see. So yes, I received 2 orders in the same week. The first week of March, 3 sales. Okay, so it's 2 orders. I received 2 orders, but Etsy count them as 3 sales because one of the orders they ordered 2 keychains and the other one they just ordered 1. So I think Etsy count that as 3 sales, and I am so excited. So my business is Your Thing Official on Etsy platform, and I sell personalized keychains, accessories. So it's like a gift shop. So right now I'm in the process of rebranding because I want it to be like the number one place for people to stop for, to look at when they're buying gifts, either bridesmaids, wedding gifts, groomsmen, birthday, anniversary, and stuff like that. It's all about customizing. It's customizing accessories. So it's like thoughtful gifts that they'll keep forever. But at the moment, I'm focusing on keychain and necklaces. I'm working on rebranding, making it look more appealing. Like the packaging, I want it to be like, you know, when you open a gift, like you want to keep everything, like the box, you'd like to keep the box and everything. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I will be packaging those orders and sending them off. So if you'd like that, keep on watching. So welcome back to my channel. Today I am packaging my first Etsy orders. So as I said in the intro, I got 2 Etsy orders and I will be packaging them today. So get busy with me while I pack these orders. Yes, I'm officially in business. So yeah, so these are some washi tape that I bought from Poundland, so for £1 each. So those are what I'm going to use to accessorize my display cards. So as you can see there, those are my white display cards that I DIY'd myself, and I'll be using those to put the keychains on. Yeah, so now I'm just taking off the washi tape and I'm just measuring it on the bottom, because on the display cards I fold it in half. So I just want to use the washi tape to combine it together, and my plan for the washi tapes is the color that they ordered is the color washi tape that I'll use. So in this case they bought a black keychain and a blue keychain, so therefore I used a black and a blue washi tape. Please excuse my dry, crusty hands. I was using the gloves to do all this before, and then I noticed that the gloves was slowing me down, so I just went ahead and sanitized my hands and go gloveless, because yeah, the gloves was slowing me down and it was sticking to everything. So I'm like, I'm going to use just my bare hands. So right now I am using a double-sided tape to help the washi tape to hold down, because it doesn't really stick properly to the card. But after a while I think it could have worked out, but that's what I did in the next order. I just used the washi tape only, but in this one I use both the washi tape and the double-sided tape. And that's how it looks. I'm just gonna pop them in my little tray. After I've done that, just pop them in just to get them out of my way. So for this one again, I'm using the double-sided tape to just keep the washi tape down in place. And there you go, 2 display cards. For the logos on the display cards, I also made those, DIY those by myself, and I print them on glossy double-sided sheets as well, A4 papers, and that's how I got those. I got that paper from Amazon. Also, I'll link everything that I used in the video, everything that I've got from Amazon, in the description bar. I can't link the washi tape because I got those from Poundland. That's just the small store, but yeah. So now I like to package my keychains in tissue paper. So I use tissue paper instead of those plastic bags. I'm trying to be eco-friendly with my packaging. So yeah, my hands are so dry, look at them. But anywho, as I said in my first video that I've posted, how I will package my orders, so check that out if you haven't already. I posted a video how I would package my orders when I do get orders. So now I got my first order on Etsy. So the first orders, they were in person, but this one is from Etsy. As I said before, I wanted to look like an envelope, so that's how I folded it, and then I take the thank you sticker and just stick it down to let everything stay in place. So that's my first one finished, and yeah, I'm so happy with it. So now I'll let you watch this one without me interrupting you. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and don't forget to like this video, comment. If you just received your first order from Etsy, let me know how you felt. Of course you felt great, but let me know in the comments. I'd like to see. I'm over the moon, people. Yeah, so yes, I'll let you let you watch this one, and I'll be right back. And oh yeah, oh, can I forget, remember to subscribe. Hope you enjoyed watching that. Now it's time to wrap everything in bubble wrap and then put them inside the package. So I use bubble wrap just to keep everything in place, keep them from damaging if something should wrong during transit or stuff like that. I am using my customized drawstring bag that I got from Amazon as well. So yes, so that's the name of the company that I got in from off Amazon, and then I created my logo and I used the heat press and also the Cricut machine, and I customized my drawstring bags. What I do is I put them inside the drawstring bag and then I bubble wrap everything together. The drawstring bag is just a gift from me to you, so it is very much reusable, so you can use it for other things that you wish. Here I'm writing the names on each key rings, just so it can be separated, just in case if the person order it and they don't want to open it, they want to give it to the they don't want to open it, and they can just give it to the person that they bought it from without opening it. So I put the names on just for that reason, because you don't want to ruin the experience for the person that you bought it for. So that's what I'm saying. Yeah, let them know. So now I'm adding my thank you card. So this is not really my thank you card. I have to improvise because I did order my thank you card off Canva. So I made my thank you card on Canva. Look out for that video. I will be doing an unboxing of those thank you card. So yeah, I just didn't want to just send it just like that without a thank you card. So I went ahead and make one and print it off. So yeah. Turn on your post notifications so you can be notified when I drop that video. I'll be giving a review of Canva and the thank you card to see if it met my expectations. So this is also it's not really a business card. This is a card that I just write more information about the gifts. I like what occasion these gifts are suitable for, like birthdays, Valentine's, Mother's Day, bridesmaid gifts, groomsmen gifts, Secret Santa, etc. And I've also included a discount code for first-time buyers. So if you're a first-time buyer, you will receive a discount code for when you're shopping again with us. So yeah. So right here, guys, I forgot to put in the invoice, the receipt. So after this, I had to go back and pull up everything and print off the receipt and put it back in, but I didn't mind, even though, yeah. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.